and I love the name Curd. Tell us something more about Curd.
When I was writing down the business idea of curd, I was eating actually curd and yogurt.
My God.
And I felt that this is network of bacteria which is very, very good for our health.
Right.
So why not build a network which can really benefit all of us? We all use different social media apps and different platforms, right? For buying something, we are using marketplaces, we are searching something, we are using search engines, and we are using social media platforms. But one thing, there's so many applications to use, right? So it's really a problem that it's very, very repetitive and it takes a lot of time on internet. So I thought, why not build something which really helps us to connect all these platforms? Because if you see, there is a lot of repetition between LinkedIn and other social media platforms. Bring everything at one place and make a platform which really saves time. That's the idea behind Curd. That Curd is a platform which helps you with networking, which helps you with searching something, which helps you post a requirement to your connections and they can refer you. It helps you with social media. So it's a master platform for everything.
Hello and welcome. This is Ranjana, your host at UPod, a Kya Matlab Hai network. And today I'm really excited to host my next passionpreneur in our first season, A Cup Full of Passion. So in the stories of businesses which are empowered to grow and create a purpose, stories which are filled with passion and passionpreneurs who want to drive it all through with an exciting, thrilling journey ahead. And nothing can stop them because their goal is clear. In this journey, I'm glad today that we have with us the founder, the visionary, the extremely talented passionpreneur, Ankit Baradia, who's launching something which is gonna excite the world, and it's already served on platter for all of us. Let's hear from Ankit today on his discovery and making of world's first social search engine, Curd. Hi Ankit, how are you?
Hello Rajna, thanks for inviting me. I'm excited to be here.
It's our pleasure, and we were very much looking forward to have you on the show because this first social search engine application that you've built is something which is going to rock the world. And we are very glad that today on UPod, we are going to unveil to our listeners about your journey and about your discovery of Curd. So tell us something about yourself, Ankit. You have been born and brought up in India, and you've had a whole journey of, playing different roles. You started your career from a luxury industry. So you've been into the glam and glitz, and coming from Bollywood, that justifies even more. I mean, the city of Bollywood, Bombay. What made you land to UAE, and with what vision or dreams did you land here?
I think the reason behind moving to Dubai is definitely Curd. So this idea came to me during COVID, where I was like, we all got a chance to, be at home. We all got comfort to think. So this idea came in there, and just to start this and make it a global platform, so I moved to Dubai. And if you are talking about my history and my background, so I mean, very well that I come from Bombay, a city of Bollywood you mentioned. So I was into diamond business for a very, very long time, and it's a very, very stable business, traditional business, but innovation is the key to success today. So I felt that I still have that fire inside, that I can build a platform which has potential to reach, larger audience and millions of people, and can really add value to their lives. So this is the reason I started Curd and I moved to Dubai.
Lovely. And I love the name Curd. Well, it gives me jitters thinking, what's the reason for you naming a social application, a digital application, Curd? Is it something to do with your love for food?
Very, very difficult to say. But, when I was writing down the business idea of Curd, I was eating actually curd and yogurt.
My God.
And I felt that this is network of bacteria which is very, very good for our health.
Right.
So why not build a network which can really benefit all of us?
Exciting. So that I was really thinking that has to have a connection because the name is so unique. And you rightly said, I think, with networking, it's about churning the best and bringing the best to the platform because it's your name and credibility at stake when you are referring someone. So tell us something more about Curd, when you say that, you thought of this application and you wanted to present it to the world as an innovation, what was behind it? What were the key points, the goals, the vision that you had behind Curd?
Very interesting question, Rajna. We all use different social media apps and different platforms, right? For buying something, we are using marketplaces, we are searching something, we are using search engines, and we are using social media platforms. But one thing, there's so many applications to use, right? So it's really a problem that it's very, very repetitive and it takes a lot of time on internet. So I thought, why not build something which really helps us to connect all these platforms? Because if you see, there is a lot of repetition between LinkedIn and other social media platforms. There are repetition with other platforms. So why not bring everything at one place and make a platform which really saves time? So that's the idea behind Curd. That Curd is a platform which helps you with networking, which helps you with searching something, which helps you post a requirement to your connections and they can refer you. It helps you with social media. So it's a master platform for everything.
Yes, perfectly said. Time is money today, and time is everything. So if your application is bound to optimize our time for better search results, it definitely has a need and a space in this world. So when you say this, today we are, of course, using a lot of applications. Our phones, our gadgets are filled with application logos. Some of them we don't even recall after downloading. How is Curd going to make a difference when it lands on our phone? So when we have the Curd application, what are we expecting? Why do I go and open that application, and when do I do it?
All right. So, Ranjana, just think of this, we definitely have a lot of applications, but it is about the value what we are getting from different applications.
Sure.
Right? For example, a lot of social media apps is more about short reels and, the kind of content what you're consuming on the social media applications. But when it comes to monetizing your connections, you have built such a large network on different social media applications. But are you able to monetize these connections? Which is a question for us. But rather, we monetizing these platforms themselves, they're monetizing your connections and they're making money out of it. So there is no way to reach out to your connections or, ask for help. And we all are social beings, right? So being social beings, we always like to follow what our friends are doing. We always like to take advice from them. But apart from consuming content, these platforms are really not serving the purpose. So there comes in Curd that, Curd really serves you in terms of it helps you monetize the connections. In terms of social validation, you can search on Curd and you can get results along with the social validation. So Curd is an AI based platform which really goes into the depth of your network engagement. So Curd really understands that, what your network is engaging with, what kind of referrals they are passing on, what kind of reviews are they giving to different businesses, and more than 30 parameters. They really go into the depth of your network engagement, and then they really rank your search results. So next time when you're searching on Google or you're searching on Curd, you'll see a big difference that there will be a lot of social validation and trust what you're going to find on Curd.
So that means whether I'm searching for baby diapers, or I'm searching for a doctor, or I'm searching for a garage specialist, can I find everything on Curd?
So today when you're searching for anything, right, maybe a doctor, dermatologist or anything, right, any product service, the first thing what we do is we go and search on Google, right?
Right.
So when you see the search result on Google, the top results are sponsored results. And the below results what you see are the people you don't know.
Yeah.
So there is no relevance, right?
Sure.
Then you end up, going to different groups on WhatsApp and other platforms where, post your requirement.
Right.
But there the options are very, very limited. Then again, it's a public forum where you're posting, there's no personalization. So
Right.
people really sometimes, knowing, having some references, but they hesitate to give you references, and then your requirement also gets lost between the sea of messages and pictures, what is there on the group message. So the biggest difference between any other platform and coming to Curd is one place where you can, you can post your requirement.
Okay.
You can get references from your connections. You can direct the post to a particular group or a group of people. So there's a lot of flexibility inside Curd, where you can really personalize your experience.
Okay.
And also you can search for this product and services on Curd, which along with social validation makes it really interesting and trustable.
Exciting. So instead of doing it on multiple platforms, I can just trust on Curd and make sure that my results are personalized?
I can say that it's a social effect what we are talking about. It's not just the Curd application which is guaranteeing any kind of or any promoting any business. It is your friends, what kind of interactions they are having, what kind of engagement they are having, and our AI really goes into the network engagement and really recommend you or really rank the results based on your network engagement. For example, when you search for a dermatologist, your network is different. When I search for a dermatologist, my network is different. So the AI really goes into the depth that, what kind of referrals, what kind of recommendations, what kind of reviews, what kind of close business, lot of different parameters our AI really learns, understands, and then the rank the results. So, the result really becomes valuable for you and trustable so that it really helps you in decision making.
Okay, perfect. And I see you using this word, and even right now you mentioned about social validation, right? Why do you think we all need social validation as social beings? I know it has a human effect to it, and in the world of technology where AI is now, taking the place of our friends, and I hope not wives and husbands. But yeah, that's what we are seeing. We are still missing a human connect, and we look forward to that human interfacing and intervention. How is social validation, according to you, important in today's world?
I think it all starts with affirmation. We all need affirmation, right? I mean, whatever we do in our life, any new steps we take, any decision we want to make in our life, it always starts with affirmation. And this affirmation always, comes from your friends and family or people, which really gives you confidence to go ahead.
Yeah.
So social validation is not a new word, but it's a new word because no one else is playing on social validation till date. I mean, you will see so many platforms, they show you reviews, including Google.
Yeah.
But when you see the Google reviews, for example, they're like, you see 10,000 Google reviews for a business or a product, right? After that, still you're confused because the first review, what you see is a positive review. The second review you see is a negative review, and there is a line, right? So how you will get the affirmation that, this is the business for you, or, the kind of services what you're going to get from the business is really going to be a quality service? Because I, myself, being a businessman, I'm into business for a very long time.
Yeah.
And I have burnt my fingers many, many times. Going out and giving any project or any, taking anyone's services. But then later on, I really realized that, that's not the company for me.
Yeah.
So it's very, very important that, we start making decisions based on social validation. And our platform Curd really is working on social validation, and we want to provide social validation for each and everything, right? From search results to reviews to, when you're looking for a product or a service or when you're networking. So there are multiple social validation parameters inside Curd application, which will really excite you.
That sounds like a full package, like variety of Curds. So of course we have a lot of variety and versatility that Curd seems to promise us. So tell us, when you thought of this Curd, and how long was it back? Were you talking of 3 years back when you had the idea of Curd?
I've already said that this idea came during the COVID time. So that time I was into the diamond business, but because of my qualification and my interest in IT, so I'm a system guy, right? I like to build products, which I've done in the past also.
Okay.
So during COVID, I really thought that I can make a platform which can solve these kind of problems which I'm talking about. So it started with the COVID, but then that time I was running a business, and that was a very, very successful business which I was running for a very long time. So it was a difficult decision for me, but then it's the passion to really build something which is valuable. I think that made me really gave me confidence, or you can say that really inspired me that I should be going ahead and building Curd. And actually the journey started in 2021 when I formed Spring Technologies.
Okay.
So I moved to Dubai. It was definitely a big decision. It was not an easy decision for me.
Sure.
Because I was settled in life. I was running a successful business, and I moved to Dubai. So it was a bit difficult, but then I think I was sure of what I was doing. So I registered a company here. I started hiring and, building the team and everything started mid of 2022. And from there on, we are building the product. So we crossed different stages. We did MVP launch, which is a small, minimal, viable product launch. Where we wanted to test that whether the direction, what we are thinking is right or not. So we built MVP, and post that we got into beta stage, where we actually had 2,500, 300,000 users with us, and we were doing live testing.
Lovely.
That really, gave us confidence, and people really, really coming to us and telling that, boss, this is really something exciting. We have never seen something like this. So that gave me confidence to go ahead. And now we are in the verge of launching the platform in India and UAE. And very soon we are seeing our first million users coming into the platform.
Amazing. That sounds exciting, and all the best wishes for that, because I know there's lots of work and in the background that's happening with your team in India and you in UAE and trying to bridge the connections. Like you said, you're already set to serve this to the Indian and the UAE audience. How is it looking? When do we expect the application to be in full launch, or is it already in full launch and ready to serve these two markets?
So we just closed beta, and we have around 3,000 users in our platform.
Okay.
Which includes businesses and users.
Yeah.
And we see that, we'll be officially launching the platform sometime in November end. And thereon, the journey will start for Curd, being the super app for everyone.
Oh, wonderful. The super app. Of course, for super app for 2025 on your phone has to be downloaded today, because that is what's going to bring us closer to our connections and add a lot of value. So, Ankit, you rightly said that I think it's not easy, and I too understand, because I can relate to your story of moving from one world to another, moving from one industry to another industry, and coming out from your roots and trying to set up in a new space. And it's very challenging. It has its own, I would say, fears and obstacles that you have to cater. So when you were taking this decision of moving from India to UAE, and also leaving a much established business that you had to start something which of course had questions from the world and your family, how was it? Did you feel that your family really supported and believed in your vision, or you felt that they were also cautioning you that, please think about it, this could not be the right space? So what was the dilemma that was running into your mind and your heart? And we'd love to hear a little more about it.
I think I'm lucky here. My family really supported me, in this entire journey of building Curd. Running a successful business, you have a habit. You understand that every day, every month, you're gonna make some money. The money is going to flow in. But to be honest, this entire startup journey and 3 years, I did not make any money. It was all investment, which was going from the pocket. But I think is the family support which really helped me, because for them also it's very important that to understand what are the risks. And any startup, not just mine, but there is a lot of risk which is associated with with the success and the failure, because there are two sides and you never know which side you're going to fall on. So I say very, very difficult in terms of really believing yourself every day, because the entire world is ready to question you.
Of course.
That, is it right? Is it wrong? And I think it's not a question of right or wrong. It's about, I was very clear from the first day, when I started Curd, that what value I'm going to serve to my customers or the users. And straightforward, I went with that value proposition. So I have seen, right? From the day I started building Curd, it's already been 3 years, almost 3 years.
Right.
The idea, the concept, the very, very early concept paper, and the product which has transformed in, it is absolutely the same.
Okay.
The only reason, otherwise, you will see a lot of products, a lot of startups, they start at some point and then they get diverted, they try something else, and which doesn't work. So it is basically jumping from one value proposition to another value proposition. But I was very, very clear from the first day that what I am going to serve it to the customer. What value. So basically, if anybody comes to me and asks me, what I will get from Curd, why I should download
Yes.
Curd, I have the right answer from the first day, and till today is the same answer, and I'm very, very clear on that. So I think this is the good side, and definitely, we have like ups and downs in the journey. So even I have bootstrapped the project. I have put in a lot of money, which is
Yeah.
coming from my pocket. But one good thing is again here that I don't have a backup. I'm not doing anything else apart from this.
Yeah.
Lot of my family members, lot of people, friends, everybody tried to convince me that you should have a backup, you should have a business, parallelly along with this. But I believed in the idea, and I thought that if I'm doing something, I should give my 100%.
True.
So that dedication really helped me, because building a social media app and talking about a search engine, social media, and Curd is not just an application. I'm calling it a super app already, because
Yeah.
it's an ecosystem, right?
Right.
It can solve a lot of problems at one go. Because have you heard of a concept called pull marketing? Because entire internet is working on push marketing, where even LinkedIn, you see, everyone is trying to sell.
Yeah.
Curd is all about pull marketing. So basically, we are saying that businesses don't have to sell here. They have to let their customers, their users sell their business. So we have a complete referral system inside. We are working on word of mouth marketing, and businesses can really generate leads from their connections and from the satisfied customer rather than selling themselves, which really help them build credibility, and it's a long-term game.
Of course. And I think that's where my next, direction was, that when we talk of the value, or when we talk of going to Curd app, like you said, it's a super app. And I think nobody would want to miss being on super app and benefiting out of, the purpose it is driven with. So when I log in as a business versus I log in as an individual, are my benefits different? So when I'm logging in to Curd app as a business, what can I expect? So can I expect sales growth? Can I expect better feedback? Can I expect better vendor network? Versus logging in as an individual, if you could just help us understand the two profiles that we can manage.
Definitely, it is definitely a different experience for as a business or as a user. For businesses, it's going to be a lead generation platform.
Okay.
So when I talk about lead generation, there are always finances, which comes in picture, like cost of customer acquisition,
Sure.
conversion ratio, that, what is the conversion ratio from leads to finally selling and converting it.
Yeah.
So if you see on internet, everything for small and medium businesses, everything is expensive. Okay? You yourself, you're a business owner, and you're a successful business person from very, very long time. And you know that the pains of generating leads and how expensive it is when you're trying something like social media marketing, running ads on social media, or maybe running Google ads just to get some leads.
Right.
So let me talk about some numbers that, if you see LinkedIn, we'll try to collate some data on LinkedIn. The cost of generating a LinkedIn lead is very, very high. And sometimes when you try to convert that lead, the product cost or the profit, really summing up everything, the lead generation cost is very, very high.
Got it. Yeah.
So same with Google AdWords also, because, if your business is somewhere, in a very, very competitive industry, for example, real estate or any other industry, where the competition is very high, everybody is trying to sell.
Yeah.
So the cost per click is so high that, and then you think that again, the problem is the conversion is very low.
Right.
Because again, you're trying to cold sell, you're trying to reach to people who doesn't trust you, who don't know you. Trusting is like, another level, but they don't know you. So the first thing is there anyone who can introduce you? No, it's not possible. But then there comes in the difference that, we call it pull marketing, and where as a business you're going to enjoy it, because here in the platform you will see your connections and your customers trying to introduce your business to their connections and friends.
Okay.
So you will see the cost is very, very low, because you don't have to pay upfront for anything.
Sure.
Definitely there are some advertising options and all.
Okay.
But the biggest play is how you can sell your business through your connections.
Perfect. Okay.
So you see the difference, right?
Right.
I mean, the conversion, because, the moment somebody refers you, the conversion rate is very, very high.
Right.
There is already some kind of credibility which is attached to this referral
Right.
the person gives.
Yeah.
And his reputation is at stake. So just think, when he's taking his reputation, okay, so then for you it becomes so easy, and there are different ways, we really, because of the social validation and all, it becomes very easy to convert the lead.
Yeah.
So, and then we also have a work center, which is a surprise element for the businesses. So when they log in,
Okay.
when they create their business profile, every business gets a work center.
Right.
And what they can do through this work center is they can manage the dashboard for their business. So they can manage their ads, they can manage all the referrals, they can manage all the job postings. It's basically a place. So basically, Curd is built for SMEs and MSMEs.
Okay.
Keeping in mind the problems that, they have to list on different search engines, different marketplaces. So Curd is one place it's an AI-based platform, where you create a business profile and you can connect a lot of different platforms to Curd, so that, from Curd you can manage everything.
Amazing. A full power-packed package for SMEs and, the MSMEs. So wonderful. I'm going to look more towards the work center because it sounds like an exciting package, exciting application to work with. And as you said, you can reduce your cost, you can ensure a better conversion, which is always the goal and somewhere a pain point for businesses. So if you're solving that pain point, then I see no reason for businesses to stay away from a super application like this. Let's talk of individuals. So what about our homemakers? We have a large audience of homemakers who are on their phones, on their smartphones through the day. And I would say if we see the number of hours their apps are running on phone, it would be higher. And they have to take a lot of decisions also, especially homemakers. They have to take a lot of decisions around services that are needed, maybe for home, for education, for self-development and training, which is a big area. How can, the individuals gain from this? And particularly if we talk of homeowners and superwomen, how can superwomen gain from the super app?
As an individual, right, we always, have strived from very, very long time that how we can monetize our connections. We all have many connections. I mean, in total, if we really total the number of connections on different platforms, it will run into many, many thousands.
Yeah.
If I personally say I will have more than 10-15,000 connections, including like Google, phone contacts, Facebook, Instagram in total. But when it comes to monetizing this connection, I go blank. I don't know how to monetize these connections.
Yeah.
I mean, apart from just, likes, reactions, views, comments, I don't know what I'm doing on internet.
Yeah.
So we have a surprise package again here for the individuals. And that is when it comes to Curd, right? Curd is built for monetization.
Oh, lovely. I make money out of it.
Okay, let me explain you what monetization is. Because money is definitely, it's very, very important factor. And yes, you do make money with your connections. How you make money, first of all, is collab to earn. So basically, you can collaborate with businesses.
Okay.
And, the businesses pay you based on the likes, reactions, comments on your post. So next time when you're posting, right, please do remember to reach out to a business and do a collaboration. So you start making on the post.
Right.
The second way to make money on Curd is through referring. So as I'm talking about lead generation for the businesses. So as an individual, right, there are two things. One thing is, you would always like to help your friends. So there is a way that, as a user, you can create a referral requirement on the Curd application. When you create a referral requirement, all your connections, they get to see on the status bar.
Okay.
And then as an individual, right, you can refer to your connections here and you can refer the businesses you trust. So you are helping a friend.
Yeah.
and again a friend who is running a business, or maybe a business you're already, of a satisfied customer of.
Right.
So you're helping both of the people, and in this process you make money. So there are two kinds of rewards which you get.
Okay.
The first reward is referral reward. So the moment you refer, all of a sudden you see a nice notification coming to you that, hey Ranjana, you made like couple of coins, third coins.
Okay.
And this Curd coin has real money value, which you can transfer to your bank account. So you keep collecting Curd coins, and you can start making money.
Lovely.
The second kind of reward which you're going to get is if there is a business closure. For example, referral rewards are always small, right?
Yeah.
It's a gesture which a business is doing. You're referring someone.
Sure.
Right? You're referring some business, so they are passing on some rewards.
Yeah.
Right? But what if there is a business closure? So then they transfer a percentage of the closure value.
Okay.
Which can be really big. It really depends upon what kind of business or what is the referral or how profitable that referral is. So the business really decides and passes on the reward, which will be a percentage of the amount.
Okay.
And for example, if there's a business closure of $10,000, somebody gives you 5%. So maybe as a housewife, if you have you were asking, right? So as a housewife, if you have some time, so this can become a part-time work for you. This can really get you some money. You can network. So you're getting the best of both sides. You're networking, you're building relationships, and you're you are a kind of a very passive or active, a sales force, becoming a sales for many companies.
Exactly.
So you're marketing many companies, you're helping friends, and you're becoming a medium to establish trust or making two people meet and do some business.
Lovely. We spoke of so many things that it's already making me happy and bringing me closer towards judging our happiness index with you. But before we go that, I must say that, the application sounds so exciting, because I think as human beings, it's always about human psychology. And when your digital application is connecting or blending the human psychology with the technology in such a beautiful way that you're feeling nice about using an application. You're feeling nice of not just earning those rewards, but being of help or promoting or being an ambassador, which we all like to do. We buy clothes, we buy technology gadgets, and we talk about it because we have good experiences. And if talking about or referring them and being an ambassador for them can also give us a bonus, why not? This Diwali is even better than with some bonus from Curd in the form of Curd coins. Who would miss that? So exciting. That brings us to our happiness index. We spoke of so many things that you're trying to blend in creating and offering the Curd application to the world, which is the world's first ever social search engine. And that sounds so cool. Let's see if I'll tell you about some things that we feel have been important ingredients of your Curd, the Curd that you have made and you are serving, and you tell us how happy you are with it. You can rate it on a scale to, let's not go below 5. We'll put it 5 to 10. 10 being the highest if you're really happy, ding, and 5 if you still feel you have some steps to take ahead to reach your goal. So, are you okay? Shall we begin with our happiness index?
Sure, I'm ready.
Perfect. We are there to measure it now. Let's talk of technology. So, you said artificial intelligence, of course, is the foundation for this super app. How happy are you with it?
I think 7.
Any reason?
I would say that the balance 3 points, right? I would leave it to the user to put it and add it and to make it 10.
Oh, lovely. So user has a role to play. Perfect. Okay. When we talk of the customer reach that is expected, once this is launched in November, 6 months down the line, with the way your application is ready, what reach are you expecting? And are you happy with that goal? Are you seeing yourself reaching there?
So I would not like to put a number right now.
Okay.
Because this application is a social media application, and the chances of getting it viral is very, very high. Definitely from our side, we have many engines in place, which will really help users to invite their connections to join Curd. There are different ways, we are trying to onboard both sides, the supply and the demand side, which is users and businesses, and making them, both the user side, both the sides coming together on Curd.
Okay.
But if you ask me how difficult it is definitely difficult because for any new platform, what we need is support.
Yeah.
Support from the audience, your audience, definitely. And it's very, very important that users starts understanding the value what we are providing.
Okay.
It's definitely not possible for any new platform that, whatever promises we are making,
Yeah.
it is getting delivered on the first day.
Got it. Yeah.
We as a technology company, we as a platform builder, we have done our best to build the platform. The infrastructure is ready, but what we are looking forward is more and more people coming in, taking initiative. Because if you really see in history, right, whether it's YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, any platform, right, always the early users or early adopters, they got benefited. You
Yes.
see, if you start posting, just think of this podcast. You start, maybe if you had posted this podcast maybe 10 years or 12 years before, the reach of this podcast will be so high in comparison to the day today. The only reason is, it's not just about the algo, it is all about the density and the population and the content, number of content in the platform.
Right.
So if the only message from my side to the users and the audience here, download Curd today, because you will really see the difference in very, very less time, that when after maybe maybe 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, you will see that by the time, as the platform is growing, let me put it like this, as the platform is growing, you will see your standing, your credibility, your visibility and the engagement. So you will be at really going the scale is going to be very, very big. This is a big ecosystem we have built,
Yeah.
and definitely we will make sure, we will try hard to make it success. But then your contribution is very, very important.
Amazing. Of course, that goes in the saying that that's how customers partner with businesses to make it a part of their life cycle. So I'm glad that that's your vision as well. But let's come back to the happiness index. So infrastructure, how would you rate the infrastructure? You said you're ready with it. So happiness index for your infrastructure.
I will say for infrastructure, we are at 6. The only reason is, Curd, again, I mean, it's when we call it super app, right? It's not easy, or it's not easy to build it in very, very less time.
Okay.
So you've seen Google or any other bigger infrastructure or any bigger company, bringing all things together, it takes a bit of time. So I think we really have the basic infrastructure ready, which is good enough to have a good start.
Good.
We have social media, we have search engine, we have AI working, but definitely there is a lot of scope for improvement. So I will
Very
not get
modest.
satisfied very, very easily. Yeah.
Okay, we are having very modest index. Okay, let's talk about your team. You have a wonderful team based in Bangalore. Yes?
Yes,
How happy are you with your team?
I'm very, very happy.
Is it a 10 on 10 then?
I think, I don't like to, rate to the top, but then I will say we are definitely at somewhere at 9.
Oh, wonderful.
And would like to add something here. I think without the support of people, it's very, very difficult
Yeah.
to build something like this. So I mean, I'm very, very lucky here that I have a team which is supporting me from very, very long time. And to be honest, I mean, if you see the startup world, right, the attrition rates are very, very high.
Yeah.
You see people coming in, moving out very, very fast outside. But in our company, it's extremely low. I really don't want to put it in a percentage, but it's extremely low. And the only reason why it is extremely low is my team has a lot of confidence over the product.
Yeah, that's important.
So there are two things. One is definitely the product and the culture what we have. So we have a culture of innovation. We have a culture of speech. So where people, they're given freedom to speak their heart. They're innovating, and we have a culture to make mistakes.
Yeah.
So I think this combination of these three things are really keeping us going ahead very, very smoothly. And because of experienced team and support, I think we're rocking here.
It's 100 on 10 then for the happiness index.
Thank
Okay, lovely. And what about, let's talk about the validation. So we spoke about social validation. Coming to Curd for users, how will their happiness index be in terms of social validation?
10 on 10.
Oh, wonderful.
For sure. Here I can really, I don't mind boasting our capabilities that they will definitely see, a kind of social validation which is not been implemented by any other platform. So if our research is good and we have really researched well, so we can proudly say that because of the connected experience of social media and search engine, right? So just think that, what happens when Google is connected with LinkedIn or Instagram or Facebook and they start sharing the data.
Yeah.
So that's how our AI is, accomplishing the social validation. We know your network now.
Yeah.
We're trying to really understand the engagement of your network. Okay. And then we are serving you results. So which is more precise, which is more validated, and it is definitely going to, help you build trust. But for sure, I know what your next question is going to come, which is about the security of the data and, the personal information. Tell me if I'm wrong.
No, we can have happiness next on that. Why not? Security is very important. I think you need to feel safe using an application, and particularly when it's about personal data, sharing your network, which is an asset in today's business world and also for individuals. Let's come to that. How safe is our data? What's our happiness index going to be sharing these networks and contacts on Curd?
I think in this digital age, right, nothing is personal. Everything is on internet and very, very easily accessible, whether it's your birth date, your anniversary date, your email ID or your picture or anything. We have seen the leaks also in the past that, private pictures getting leaked. So, but, coming to a point where, if I have to tell the users or if I have to tell the audience that how we are using their personal data.
Yeah.
Okay. Because it's an AI based platform. We are going to collect a lot of, personal information, personal data. For us, it's very, very important that the data what we collect, right? How we use the data. So it's very, very clear that we're not sharing this data to any third parties.
Okay.
So the data, whatever we are collecting from the users, is definitely inside the platform, secured with AWS server, which is very, very secured.
Yeah.
So if there is a leak, I don't know when was the last leak with AWS server. If there is a leak with AWS server, then it might be possible, but the chances are very, 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 very minuscule.
Sure.
So the data is very, very secured there. We are not sharing with the third parties. And then also we are doing social validation, but our algorithms are really reading the data and really finding out what is best and trying to rank the result. Otherwise, we're also not revealing a lot of the information to other users in terms of social validation where the privacy really, gets compromised. So, tomorrow, because it's very important for me also, as a user, if I'm using any platform, it's very, very important for me that, there is a level that the data is shared or the privacy is shared. Post that I become uncomfortable.
Yeah, right.
So I think we are doing good there, and we will not disappoint you.
Lovely. And we already spoke about the last element, which is the cash element or the reward element or the bonus element. How happy are you going to make your customers coming on Curd with the Curd coins? How easy would it be to use and trade into Curd coins, or like you said, to transfer to bank account and stuff? How easy is the application going to be for us to earn Curd coins?
Do you have number 11? Can I rate it 11?
Why not? We even have 100. You can, of course.
So here I would like to go a little beyond than 10. I think
lovely.
11. Because the moment, see, our tagline is monetize your network.
Yes.
So you will see there are different ways you can monetize. I've just told you one way is collab to earn, the second way is refer to earn.
Right.
The third is social validation. Right. And then apart from that, we are really, trying to figure out more and more ways that, how monetization can happen. And this all is happening with the help of Curd coins. So that is, we calling Curd coin as a social currency. Next biggest thing on internet or on social media is going to be Curd coins, which will be the social currency, next biggest social currency. And Curd coins is the excitement in the platform, right? just think, for small interactions, right? You're getting paid, you're getting rewarded.
Yeah.
Either by the platform
Mm-hmm.
or by the businesses on the platform.
Yeah.
For example, if you're an influencer, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's put it like this. Which social media app really gives you money on the engagement or based on the engagement? I mean, most of the time it is the collaboration.
Nobody gives you money without doing anything.
Yeah, but we are offering you. So if you're an influencer,
Yeah.
we say that come and post on Curd. Put your content on Curd.
Right.
You start making money on the first day. The moment there is any interaction or engagement on the post, you start making money. The moment you collect 100 Curd coins in your wallet, you can transfer that money to your bank account. It's very, very simple and very, very straightforward. What else you want?
Nothing. I'm going to aim towards more and more Curd coins on my application. And I think that's what our users are going to do, because you already declared it as a social currency. And how come we are going to stay away from, having it in our wallets, in our e-wallets? So definitely that sounds exciting. And I think you rightly said the happiness index is an 11 on 10 or maybe 100 on 10 for the social cash that we are going to earn, or the social currency that we are going to earn through this application. So that sounds exciting, but let's come a little on you now. We have always heard that we should stay away from our phones and technologies and applications. And as parents, we tell our kids, we tell ourselves that in today's life, it's also important to stay away. So when Ankit is trying to stay away from his Curd and from his phone and from his applications, what is that you like to do in that time?
Quality does matter. So
Yes.
we are very, very confident, and we will make sure the content quality is very, very high on Curd.
Okay.
So, for example, because Curd is a mix of professional networking and social networking. So even if you see, one of the best thing about Curd is when you land up on the home page or the home screen of the Curd application, you will see two feed screens. One is social, the second is professional.
Right.
I don't think I really have to explain this, because professional means something. Professional means professional content or content related to your work, your industry. So you will see a lot of motivational content or inspirational content, knowledge content. So these kind of content, and you can be always get connected to your industry and always updated about what is happening. But the moment you shift to the social content or social feed with just a tap, you start seeing the personal life of your connections. Because it's very, very important. Business, I am a business owner from so many years, and I know business happens only with relations. And you have to build relations. So also, if you talk about children, students, this segment, right, using social media, I have a 7-year-old son. I have a 12-year-old daughter. They like social media so much.
Yes.
They steal my phone. They go to a corner and try to watch social media. So we really have to abstain them. It's very sticky. Social media is very, very sticky.
Yeah.
It's very, very difficult, right? So Curd is a platform where the content will be more of professional content. We have clips, which is something like Reels. But if you see the quality of content, we don't want to become TikTok.
Yeah.
We don't want to become Instagram. We know what kind of content we want to serve, which I think audience will appreciate.
Okay.
I don't want to reveal more. Come to Curd to see, what is there for you.
Perfect. There's a lot of surprise waiting for all of us, and that inspires us to download and start using the application today and be a part of the super app ecosystem that Ankit Baradia is creating with his lovely team out there. Ankit, what do you like to do in your free time? So when you're out of work and just with your family, with your lovely kids, your beautiful wife, what's the world like for you?
I like to play sports. I like to play badminton.
Okay.
So whenever I'm free, sometimes I take my family or I go out with my friends to play badminton. I'm also a party person. So being a workaholic, it's very, very important for me to really take out a bit of time because I like music. So I like to go clubbing. I like to, go to lounges, party, network.
Yeah.
So I mean, as Curd, involves, Curd offers, both social and professional networking. So me, as a person also, I like both kind of networking.
Right.
So I like to go out, really with my friends, outdoors, plenty of things, I like variation in my life. So, yeah, I'm trying to balance it. Definitely with having a startup, sometime it becomes difficult time because there was a time, in between that for almost 6-7 months, I was working like maybe minimum 12 hours, 12 to 14, 15 hours a day and night together to really make this happen. So that was very, very difficult time where I was not getting enough time for my family and to pursue my hobbies and dreams. But I think it's life is all about phases. So I think now I'm getting a bit more time now to spend with family. So it all depends what phase, but definitely work is my priority.
And with the Curd app, you save on time, which goes to your family and your hobbies. And I think that's what all of us need. Great. So we are moving towards, the final stages of this conversation. And I know it's a never-ending one. There's so much to learn about how you build it, the technology, what more we can see, what markets you're going to explore. But all that, I think we shall keep once you launch the application and we are all part of your ecosystem to unveil that. But for now, would you like to tell our audiences how they can collaborate with you, how they can benefit from this application, from this ecosystem and be a part of it? Is there any message for all of us out there?
Surely. I would like to say here that, first of all, if you're an influencer, right, is the biggest opportunity for you because the kind of money we are going to shower to attract the more and more users to our platform. So it's one of the lifetime opportunity that you can be part of the Curd ecosystem. You can log into, you can sign up on Curd application, and you can request for an influencer tag. Once you receive an influencer tag, immediately for every post, you're going to make money.
Okay.
So please don't miss out this chance. If you're a business owner, right, it is very, very important for you that, you start setting up your base inside Curd application because we have completely aligned ourselves with Google. So next time, not only people searching on Curd will find you, but people searching on Google will also start finding you.
Okay.
Because we are also an online directory, we are a search engine, and we are a social media. So just think of a scope that, what if one platform can do for you and 3 platforms working together to make your business really a great success or generate leads for you. So I would say, don't miss out a chance to register on Curd. And thirdly, for users, I think we all love money, right?
Yes,
So
of
money is the best language. So I would say, definitely from the first day, the moment you come on Curd as a platform starts giving you money when you start reviewing any business. The business doesn't pay you, but the Curd platform really thinks that, you're taking efforts, you're reviewing your business on Curd platform. So we as a Curd platform, we pay you. You have chance to collab. I have already mentioned that, refer to us. So from the first day, you start making money.
Okay.
Build your network because, ultimately your network is your net worth. So if you have a larger network, and also depends on the quality of network. So please be mindful that what kind of network you're building here. If you have a good network, if you follow good businesses, if you are reviewing good businesses, money is nowhere.
Lovely. I think that was a wonderful message, and that really inspires us to be a part of this application, to be a part of the journey, because we've seen how technology has shaped our life in many ways. There are pros and cons, but all these applications that are hosted on our phone today, some of them have really driven the way we can do business, we can work and live. And I'm seeing that with the vision that you have built this super application to be a part of our lives, it is definitely going to serve a bigger purpose. And we're all manifesting into it, Ankit, right? You too believe in manifestation. So I definitely want our users to download Curd app today to explore all the features and the benefits that you've said and start earning money, guys. It's Diwali time, festivity around the corner, and we all need that abundance and good luck. But that's all for now, Ankit. And I think on the show, it was lovely having your positivity and having your vision spill over and tell us what's coming ahead, what you're launching with. We're really looking forward to it. And UPod is really thankful to you that you could make time and come and share your story, a story filled of passion and purpose together, which has so much to offer to the world. So all the very best from all of us here.
Thank you, Rajna. Thank you so much. Thanks for hosting me, inviting me for such a wonderful conversation and letting me talk about Curd. So I'm very thankful to you and your team, and looking forward. So I'll just say, guys, Curd is out now. Curd is available to download on App Store and Play Store, and please start curding.
Yay! Please start curding. Thank you so much.